Yo, welcome to episode 9. I have my homeboy here.
Yo, what's good? It's Johnny.
He's
day trader.
Yeah, day trader,
Investor,
yes sir.
Entrepreneur.
Bring him into the game, man. So,
Sir.
when did you first start day trading, bro?
Shit, dude. I started getting into day trading November, December of 2019. And I remember this shit because I was working at National Beef. You know what National Beef is?
No.
It's a meat packing plant in
Oh,
Dodge. Bro, that fucking place, dude, sucks the soul out of your fucking life, dude. Like, you have a bunch of like OG, just really old Mexican people that you just see, like, when you look into their eyes, bro, they're just so like miserable, you know, because they've been there 30, 40, 50 years.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, dude, fuck this. I'm not trying to do this shit for like 5, 10, 15 years. Fuck all that, dude.
But that's the same relatability that I had, bro. Like in aircraft, I was like, dude, I don't see myself working like these old heads for like the next 20, 30 years doing that, right?
Yeah, fuck
I just
that,
finally hit
dude.
the point and was like, dang, dude, I just want to fucking quit. These cars are gonna let me go. Book.
Yeah, so then I just started looking up, like, how do I make money online? And I just came across, like, drop shipping.
Yo.
I came across trading. And funny story, I actually, like, got my first 100K with drop shipping. So I got into drop shipping and trading at the same time, but I stuck more onto, like, the trading type of, like, thing. You know what I mean? Like, I did trading more than drop shipping. I kind of dropped drop shipping whenever I got banned on Facebook ads, bro. Like, Facebook ads was like my bread and butter because the way I got banned was during COVID in 2020. I was selling like a little disinfectant spray gun. Yeah. Bro, that shit was fucking printing, bro. I was making like $60K a month.
Bro, like
revenue.
the mask and everything,
yeah,
bro. Everything at the time was just peak to sell
dude.
that stuff.
And like, I ended up getting banned on Facebook ads off of that. And after that, I just like, fuck, you know what I mean? Like, I got a bunch of money. I'm sitting on a shit ton of money right now. Let's just start learning trading. And that's when all this shit just started. Just sticking with that.
Do you have a certain indicator you use, bro?
Indicator? Nah, not really.
Yeah, I know.
I use indicators, but like not for like my entries or anything like that.
Yeah. Cause my specialty is in ecom. His is in like day trading and the charts and stuff. So
day trading, investing, all that.
Yeah. He has a full playlist about if you want to learn about day trading. So I'll probably leave that down below after the video or whatnot. But
yeah, I got a full Get Funded in 2024 playlist going over my favorite strategy called the unicorn model. So shit goes crazy.
You want to talk about that, bro?
Yeah, I mean it's super simple, bro. It's just a break and retest. It's really all it is. It's just a break of structure and then a retest, and then you just enter off that, target whatever liquidity or draw liquidity you're looking at. You're probably like, what the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? Yeah, bro, because it's not my
Yeah, anybody who's coming from my like socials or anything, they know what I'm talking about. But the unicorn model, bro, best fucking model in trading out there. Anybody that says different is cap. Because all the other ones, bro, you're scalping for like baby money. The other ones, you're like low-key, like you don't know if it's gonna work out, like turtle soup, and you don't know if it's gonna work out or if it's gonna actually play out. So it's like the unicorn model just gives you like all the confirmations that you need to actually like execute with confidence.
So now the question is, bro, do you trade every day? Is what like some people normally think of what a day trader is, right? They're going at it every single day doing those trades, bro.
Fuck no, dude. Nah, you don't want to trade every day because you're putting on risk every day, or you're looking for risk to put on risk every day. You don't want to do that, bro.
Yeah.
You definitely don't want to do that, and I don't do that because sometimes there will be days where like price action isn't really moving all that smooth, and it's very lethargic. It's very slow. So you want to avoid that. And you want to capitalize on like the big expansion days that move really, really clean. Because what a lot of traders do, they'll take a really good trade sometime throughout the week, and then they'll fuck up all their profits by taking all the stupid little trades in between that good trade that they took.
Because it was just an unnecessary trade then at
it was
that point,
unnecessary,
right? Yeah,
exactly. Yeah, it was an unnecessary loss. Most traders know that it was an unnecessary loss. Like a lot of traders out there, bro, they'll like take a trade and they know in the back of their head that it's not going to work out. And it's like, bro, why are you taking the trade then? Like, what the fuck?
It's because they just need to feel the need to trade that day then, right?
Exactly, bro. It's such a big problem. I don't know how people like, trade like that. It's just so weird. I don't know. And yeah, I mean, a trader's job, in my opinion, is just capitalizing on those good days and just avoiding all the stupid little trades that they would take in between those good trades. Like, if you can manage to do that, bro, you'll bank a lot.
So you you follow through the strategy though, right? So even on days that it just didn't work or whatever, like you just don't like modify it, right?
No. I'm not trying to modify the strategy. Like I'll take the strategy or the model, the unicorn model.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't work out, I mean, it doesn't work out, right? Losses are just a part of the game. Just like in business, you know, you're gonna take losses. It's the same thing. Like, it's just traders. They like their ego can't handle that, and they go on fucking tilt, bro. And then they'll keep trying to trade it. They'll be like, no, I can't be wrong. Well, you are wrong, bro. Like you're wrong. You're gonna take losses sometimes, and that's perfectly fine. You're gonna read the market wrong sometimes, and that's perfectly fine, right? Again, it's just trying not to take those stupid little trades and capitalizing on the really good days where like price is just moving super, super good.
Talk about the emotions, bro. You kind of have to numb yourself out, right? Because there are days where it's just red and there are other days just green, right?
Big tip, bro. I take 3,000 milligrams of ashwagandha, bro. I feel nothing.
Ashwagandha, bro. Yes, nothing, bro.
I'm fucking numb to all that shit, dude. I feel nothing, bro. So, if anybody out there is watching this video and you're a trader and you struggle with the emotions, take 2,100 milligrams of ashwagandha. I promise you guys are not gonna be tripping over a losing trade after like 2 weeks.
No, I promise you the same for bodybuilding as well, bro. Yeah. You're just going stressing through it. Ashwagandha will clear that up. So, but yeah, that's the main thing, bro. Like emotion control, because I learned people like make one failed trade and then they start either becoming very cautious or like they double down on it without actually checking. And then they blow their accounts, right? Yeah. Because it's really easy to blow out an account, right?
Super easy, especially if you're using prop firms. Like the 150K accounts that I trade with, because I have a personal and prop firm accounts. But the prop firm accounts, like the biggest one, they give you a $4,500 drawdown. So you're basically trading with $4,500. So it's very easy to blow that if people don't know how to manage your risk and if they like double down after a loss, right? Yeah. Like if they go one contract, which moves like $20 per point on NQ. Yeah. They triple down on that. All of a sudden, it's $60 per point on NQ, and that shit moves on average like 10 to 20 points each direction. So you can imagine 20 points with 3 contracts. That's already $1,200 of your $4,500 drawdown that you have. So it's like you're already almost halfway through the account, bro. Like you need to like manage risk, and again, just capitalize on those good days. Avoid the little bad days, right? Those little trades in between.
And on those days too, bro, as a you know a veteran in day trading, whatever, right? Yeah. You have to trade both sides, right? You can't just play for like the bull run, right? You also have to play for like the with the bear market, right? You're playing on both sides, right?
Yeah, dude. So if the market's like signaling, like if it's giving you signs that it's gonna go down, because a lot of people don't know this, believe it or not, bro, but I'd say like 95% of the population don't know that you can make money in stocks or futures or options when the price actually goes down. So if the market is signaling that it wants to go down, you can actually capitalize on the opportunity and make money when the thing goes down, because you're trying to short, right? You're pretty much selling and shorting. Yeah. And that's how you make money when the thing goes down. So you can play both sides. Like for example, the other day I played both sides. I caught a short and a long. So you can play both sides intraday, like during the same day. You don't have to wait till the next day to play like one side or the other. You can play both sides in one day if you want. But at that point, you're kind of like, you're almost like addicted. Like you're almost over trading. You know what I mean? That's another thing, is like over trading is like, that shit kills accounts. And if you don't know how to control yourself, you can go until again and just blow your accounts. Like that shit requires a lot of discipline, bro.
Because then you get overstimulated, right? Yeah. You make one big trade and you're like, dude, I'm
invincible.
20K up. Yeah. I'm invincible. I'm gonna make this trade. And then your blow is like, dude, if I double down, I'll make it back easy, right?
Yeah, dude. And then you get fucked. And you can chip away on your profits, and then all of a sudden you're down all that profit plus more. And then at the end of the day, you're like, fuck, why'd I do that? Like, and if you're going through that, if anybody out there is going through that, journal. You have to journal.
Journal everything, bro.
Everything.
Bodybuilding, life, like entrepreneurship. Like if you write it down, bro, it's also a vision board if you think about it. But also you write down your emotions, you fully be able to feel out what you're feeling, right? Instead of just bottling it up.
Exactly, bro. And then you could like, because what I do personally, I have a pen and paper journal, right? Like a little, just kind of like a diary almost.
Because I think it works better that way. Because when you actually write it down, you physically feel it instead of typing it. You can type it. You can type it out if you want. But physically writing it out makes your brain just more cognitive to whatever it is. Whether it be like a lesson that you're trying to write down from your trade, or just what you're feeling, man.
Yeah, because personally what I do is I just after every trading week on Saturday morning, I'll wake up, grab a cup of coffee, I'll sit down, and I'll reflect on the trades I took, right? And I'll be like, okay, this is where I did good, and this is where I kind of did bad on. And then on Sunday night, I'll go back on my journal and look at all those notes, and I'll be like, all right, my goal this week is not to repeat the mistakes that I made last week and keep doing the things I did good last week, this week, if that makes sense.
No, it makes sense. It makes sense.
So I'm trying to like avoid doing the little mistakes that I did the last week, and I'm trying to capitalize and keep doing what I did good in the last week in the upcoming week. So that's personally what I do, and I encourage everybody else to do that. Even like you said, in life, bodybuilding, whatever, right?
Journal, bro.
Just journal, bro, because even like when you look back at it, it gives you like a boost of motivation and confidence. Like, damn, I've came so far, when it might not like seem like that whenever you're, you know, going through the hard days, because everybody's gonna have fucking hard days, bro. Whatever niche, if you're just floating through life, even, right, not even doing anything, a 9 to 5, you're gonna have hard days. But if you have a nice little journal, sometimes it's cool just to go back a couple years and see like your thought process from a couple years ago, and you'll be like, damn, I really changed a lot. You know what I mean?
Your thought process, your progression,
Exactly,
the vision board that you had in mind, or whatever it may be, right?
Yep.
So question, bro, like, do you make all the trades at like early in the morning, or sometimes it's like later in the day, right as it's about to close, bro?
Kind of both, bro. Sometimes I usually take like a majority of my trades from, so we're in Central Standard Time, right?
Yeah. CST.
So I take it from 8:30 to 10, which is 9:30 to 11 Eastern Standard Time, because we go by Eastern Standard Time when we're trading. So it's that 90 minutes. If you can't find a trade within those 90 minutes, come back for the PM session, which is at 1:30 Eastern, which is 12:30 for us, right? That's usually when I'll come back. Like, if I take a trade in the morning and I do good in the morning, I don't even look at the markets for the rest of the day. I'll just go on about my day, go work out, do whatever, right? But if I don't take a trade in the morning, or if it's like kind of like a mid trade and I kind of do well in the morning, I'll just come back, look at the PM session, because I know what I'm doing, right? I have a lot of experience. In my opinion, I don't want to like glaze myself, but I can tell where the market is going like 95% of the freaking time, bro. My group knows it. Like, everybody, like, I do this shit live every single day, bro. Like,
talking about the time frames, bro. What time frames do you trade? Because I know that's a thing. Like an hour candles, 2 hours, 4 hours, yeah.
Every single time frame, bro. There's no discrimination of any single time frame except for the seconds chart.
The seconds chart.
I don't like the seconds chart, but personally, like, I have friends that actually do really well in the seconds chart, like the 15 second, 30 second, even 5 second. I can't do that. That's just not my personality. Like, I just can't do that, right? Like, I can't sit there watching every single candle, 15-second candle print. Like, it's just too much, like, anxiety and too much, like, just too much noise for me, you know what I mean? Like, the most I could go down to is the 1 minute, but I trade every single time frame. I use a thing called time frame alignment.
Especially if there's like a latency, no? Like, you make
bro,
that 1 second off, bro.
Yeah,
like,
bro, you gotta be quick with that shit.
Shit, man.
But yeah, dude, I use every single time frame. There's not one time frame that I don't use. I even use like some weird ass time frames, like 69 minute,
69
the 27 minute, the 9 minute, the 6 minute. Like, and there's reason for that. If you know, you know. But yeah, I use every single time frame.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to know whenever, bro.
Yeah.
But hey, I'll save the extra conversations for later, bro. This is the first intro for day trading stuff. So
sounds good.
I'll have my boy hop off. Peace.
Later.